Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Home Fam Music and Art. Today we are going to show our kitchen tour. In this video, we want to show our small kitchen which we tried to organize well, accommodate many things in it. Come on, let's start. Firstly, you see our side by side door fridge, beside which we have a tall unit in which we placed our microwave oven. We have a corner space where we have kept our food processor and RO unit. We replaced the regular granite with the nano white artificial marble. We got half-lace hob installed on it and also chimney over the hob. On the fridge, we have placed some plants and few usable trays which are kept handy. Coming to the fridge, this is Mark You, a brand from Flipkart. We will provide the link below for your reference. It is a side-by-side door fridge that comes in a very reasonable price range. In the upper shelf of the tall unit, we kept few racks on the door in which we tried to store some sauces. We also placed a blackboard on which we write things to be brought from outside. Below it, we have another rack in which we placed few other daily essentials. Coming to the inner part of the shelf, in the top shelf we have kept breakfast necessaries, and in the below shelf we placed the oven safe bowls and food processor jars and accessories. In the middle of the tall unit we have an open rack in which we kept our IFB oven, and we placed a metal rack to utilize the vertical space. Also, we kept a measuring cup and a tray with sealing clips in it. On the bottom portion of the tall unit, we have another rack. On the door, we have placed plastic hooks to which we hang the cooker gaskets. In one of the racks in it, we have placed all type of plastic boxes, lunch boxes, water bottles. The second rack is used for storing the wet grinder and an old mixer grinder along with some napkins. Next, we have our corner overhead shelf. We actually have a problem here to open the second door as there is a RO unit fitted. So, to overcome this problem and to have access to all the things, we have placed the cereals and oil packets in small baskets which can actually be taken out easily for usage. This usage of small baskets help in segregating things like cereals, oil packets rather than dumping in the shelf, which would lead to clumsiness. As you can see, we kept a dish strainer basket that we brought from IKEA, under which we placed a water absorbing pad that will absorb all the water that comes out of utensils after washing and do not make the countertop wet. This is also to protect the food processor's base from water. The water absorbing pad is also brought from IKEA. Under the sink, we actually planned to place a magic corner, but we couldn't because of the less space available. So what we tried to do is that we used a plank and made a rack over which we tried to put all items like pressure cookers, roti maker, strainers, which are very useful daily. This space was well used by this way. Also, we kept an aluminum stand that we got online and placed few things over it and also below. The overhead unit that is in the exact middle of the kitchen is completely used for storing dals, pulses, salt, etc., which are used on a daily basis. For storage of these things, we brought two sizes of plastic boxes that we got it from Amazon. Below, there is an open shelf in which we placed things that are very frequently used, like sugar, coffee, tea powders, haldi, hing, etc. Coming to the racks below the countertop, all the racks are retractable. The first one consists of spoons of all sizes, forks, lemon squeezer, tongs, cooker whistles. We purchased a plastic separator from IKEA to make things look neat and more organized. The second rack below contains steel and plastic cups and some glasses. The third drawer contains plates of different sizes and types. Also, we placed a steel stand for organizing lids and are easily picked when placed so, rather than putting one upon the other. Beside the hob, to the wall corner, we have placed the knife set and oil cans, and also a cup holder containing stapler, scissors, etc. Just below the hob, we have two more drawers which are also retractable. The one just below the hob is filled with bigger vessels and small pans. The drawer below that is stocked with white rice, atta, frames, basmati rice. Here we placed black stickers with names on it so that it is easy to identify without getting confused. To the extreme right corner of the kitchen, beside the chimney, we placed two racks which are open, in which we kept all variety of teacups, coffee mugs, and also decorated with some glassware. We also decorated the chimney by putting some plants, an antique clock, and also some magnets, and made it look different than just being a plain chimney. There is this beautiful wall sticker we have purchased from Amazon and placed it on the small wall near the breakfast counter. Initially we planned to have a rack here, but again felt the area would look very heavy, so we just ended up having with a simple sticker pasted. If we look the breakfast counter from inside the kitchen, we have an open area just below the countertop where we placed our electric rice cooker and glass stand. We kept the aluminium stand to have a small area to put pans, gloves, and other items. Immediately after the open area, we have a sleek drawer in which we kept a plastic separator that we bought from IKEA to put not so commonly used things, and also beside which we kept our sandwich maker. Below the drawer, we have two racks with the door. The first drawer is filled with casseroles, extra electric rice cooker, different sizes of pans and tawas. The second rack is full with egg boiler, idli making plates, and some big pans. Over the top, we have the loft all over the kitchen for storage of many things that are rarely used. Last but not the least, we would want to tell something about the countertop that we have selected. The reason for selecting this is because it doesn't retain any stain or marks, and it is easily cleanable. As you can see, we are trying to scratch with a knife, but still there aren't any lines visible. It is little costly than regular granite or marble, but definitely worth opting for it. It would bring nicer look to the kitchen. So friends, this is our kitchen tour. Hope you liked the way we organized things and also tried few hacks. Please do try them in your kitchen too. Next week we would again come with a new video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.